What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yes, today is a glorious, glorious day. Sure is. It's a Wednesday. The weather's beautiful, and I'm out here in the garage working on the Fairmont. Yeah, buddy. I was thinking about taking the bike for a ride, and I might do that a little bit later on, but right now we're going to work on this Fairmont. Let's turn around and see what we got going on so far. I have actually got the dash in the car. I don't have it bolted down all the way or this and that, but I do have the wires ran. And I still got to hook up like the brake switch and stuff like that. So it's coming down, you know, a little bit at a time. Yeah, buddy. So let's turn this around and see what we got going on. So as you see, steering column's in the car, but like I said, that's still got to be tidied up. I got the dash in. You can see the wires fits for the heater, which they won't be working for no heater. I'll be using those for something else. And then we got them going all the way across back of the dash. And if you look inside here, you can see where everything's going into the firewall. And I have the wires back in there. And I do have the column and everything plugged in. You know, there's still some wires coming around. And this and that. The fuse box is in. Here's the brake switch, which I got to hook up. These are the wires right here that go down to the transmission. That little hole right there, as you can see. Yeah, buddy. So, anyhow, you can actually see the trans. So, yeah, this goes into that right here. Goes into there, and I will be using these probably for the trans brake and that. So, we got things moving along. And yeah, I know that's brown and that's blue and everything else is blue, but you won't see that when I'm done. Yeah, buddy. And I still got to get, like I said, I still got to tighten the dash in all the way and everything and get everything straightened out and finish hooking up all the brackets and start, tighten up the steering column and that. But we are moving forward and we still got lots to do. But hey, at least it's something. All right, let me turn this back. I figured I'd make a short video what's going on. Like I said, the dash went in there. Had to stick my fat head under the dash and do some of the wiring under there, but it's all fun and games, right? Yeah, until you get stuck. All right. Hey, guys, I appreciate you watching. You guys are watching. You guys are awesome, man. I don't care what anybody says. If anybody tells you anything different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this, but we are moving forward on the Fairmont, so I want to get all this stuff straightened out, get the wiring done so we can fire this baby up. Hopefully we can get it fired up before, yeah, get that time. You know what I mean? All right.